Welcome to Happy Like EdTech. Today we are having this question. A parallel arrangement of 3 ohms and 6 ohm resistor is placed in series with an 8 ohms resistor. If a potential difference of 30 volts is connected across the whole circuit, the current in the 3 ohms resistor is. Now these are the options and these are questions that are meant for JAMB students. Now what do they ask us to find here? They have a current in which it flow through the 3 ohms resistor. Now, the first thing we need to do is to draw a circuit diagram of this kind of illustration. Now, they said a parallel arrangement of 3 ohms and 6 ohms. A parallel arrangement. Then we have this. That's a parallel arrangement. That is, here is my 3 ohms and here is my what? My 6 ohms. Now, it's placed in series with what? With an 8 ohms resistor. If a potential difference of 30 volt, that is this and this is connected to a what? A 30 volt. So we have this. So this place is my 8 ohms resistor and this is my 30 volt. This is my plus and this is my battery, my minus. Now from here now, what do I need to do here? I need to find the equivalent resistor of this. What is the total equivalent resistor of this 3 ohms resistor and the 6 ohm resistor? And that will give me my RT equals to R3 times R6 over R3 plus what now? R6. Now what is my R3? That is 3 times what? Times 6. Then over 3 plus 6. Now this one will give me 18 over 9. Now from here, this will give me my 2 what now? My 2 ohms. Now from here, but remember the question. They asked us to find the current in the 3 ohms resistor. Now this is the current flowing through this 3 ohms resistor. Now how do I find the current flowing through this 3 ohms resistor? Now I need to use what we call a current divider rule. The current flowing through what? 3 ohms resistor. And that is the current flowing through this 3 ohms resistor. So I want to calculate the current flowing through this 3 ohms resistor, and that will give me R subscript C over R3 plus R6 times the total what now? The total current. Let me say this is the total current. Now, this is what I want to do. This is a current divider rule because I want to calculate the amount of current that flows through 3 ohms resistor. Now, if you look at this now, I have my R6 to be what? To be 6. I have my R3 to be what? 3 ohms. And what is the total current that flow through the entire circuit? That one is not given to us. So the first thing is that we need to find the total what now? The total current that flows through the entire circuit. Now, how do I do that? Now, since this one and this one has given me 2 ohms, now this one and this one has become one series. Now, therefore, I will have this. This is my what now? My 2 ohms connected to my 8 ohms. Then bring it together with this. This is my 30 volt. Now, with this now, this and this are in series. Then I will have this as RT equals to R2 plus what? R8. Then I have 2 plus 8. Then I will have here as what now? 10 ohms. Now, let me redraw the circuit again. Now, I will have this one and this one has become 10 ohms. This is my what now? My 10 ohms, and this is my 30 volts. Now, this is the current. The total current that flow through the entire circuit. Now, I can use the Ohm's law, which is V equals to my IR. What is my V? That is 30. What is my R? The total current flowing through the entire circuit times. What is my R? My R is the total what? Total resistor, which is what? Which is 10. Divisible by 10. Divisible by 10. Then I have R equals to what now? 3 amps. So it means that a 3 ampere will flow through the entire cycle. Now let me recap. From here, I subscript 3 equals to RC over R3 plus RC times I, the total what now? The total current. That will be I3 equals to R6 is what? That's 6 over, that's 3 plus 6 times the I current. What is the I current? That is the total current flowing through the what? Entire cycle. And that's what now? That is 3. Then I have here as I3 equals to 6 all over 9 times what? Times 3. So this will be 3 here 1, 3 here 3. Then I have 6 divided by 3. That is 2 amps. So it means that 2 amps current will flow through the what? 3 ohms resistor. Which the answer is what? The answer is D. Thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed to Habilite EdTech, please, your subscription goes a long way. Your like also goes a long way. Your comment also goes a long way. Thank you and God bless you all.